It's getting closer to midnight. I tried to get.
Welcome back to Mommy's channel.
Welcome to my channel.
Hey guys, what's up? Me and Liam are here. Today we are going to the aquarium. But first, before we head over to the aquarium, we're gonna have some breakfast because, you know, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So we're gonna go have some pancakes. It's just gonna be me, Liam, and Landon, and then after the aquarium, we'll probably get some lunch and then come back home and we'll just kind of play it by ear. So I did take a couple days off of work just so I could spend some more time with the boys. I was feeling a little bit disconnected from them, and I don't want my job being in the military to ever get in the way of my relationship with my kids. So I made sure to take some time off and spend some time with them. But yeah, we're gonna go to the aquarium, have some fun. I'll show you some footage when we get there, maybe take a couple pictures. But before we leave, I am going to fix this rat's nest and clean up a little bit. I have to make my bed. And then we will head to IHOP. So see you there. So I kind of restrained it, but not really. My hair's kind of greasy, so I might end up putting it in a ponytail. But I finished my hair and I made the bed, so we are heading to IHOP. You want some pancakes? You want all those pancakes? Ta-da! No. You want juice?
No.
Yes. Where's brothers?
We do.
You want some juice? Drink some juice. Juice, juice, juice.
Cheese.
Cheese. I'll eat pancakes. I'm gonna get this split decision and then get free pancakes. You want free pancakes?
No.
Yes, I want free pancakes too. You want a lot of pancakes?
Yeah.
You sharing with brother? You can't reach it. Hold on. Hold on, Liam. We just finished eating. I didn't really record a lot while we were inside because I'm by myself with two toddlers and I'm trying to feed them. So yeah, but we finished eating and now we're gonna go to the aquarium.
Trying my best not to lose control.
We are pulling up to the aquarium and both of the kids are sleeping, but I'm so excited to start this day. We're here! Woohoo! So both of the boys literally just woke up as I parked. So, Landon, we're gonna go see the fishies!
No, a
Yeah!
No, a shark.
We're gonna see sharks? Yeah? And we're gonna see turtles and stingrays. That's gonna be so much fun! Where are we?
In the zoo.
Not the zoo. The aquarium. Tell Daddy what this is.
It's a turtle.
That's a turtle? Where's the turtle's eyes? Those are the eyes. That's the nose? Landon, you see the turtle? Turtle! Follow Liam? Okay, wait for me. Here, take your hoodie off. So you can see. All right, you ready? Come on, get in front of Mommy. Come on. Wow. You scared? Come on, don't be scared. Whoa. It's so beautiful. Look it. Wow. Climb on the front. We're on the front. It's so funny. Wow. You're on the frog? That's awesome. We can show Daddy?
Yeah.
Whoa. down there? That's another frog. What color is it? Green and black. That's correct. You want to climb on it? Be careful. You can smile, say cheese for mommy. Come on, Lyndon. What's over here? I see. What is back there? Come here, look. I think I know where they're at. You see them? Right here, look. Over there. You see them laying down? What are they doing back there? Wow. That turtle has a long neck. Liam, look at the turtle right here. Look. Look at the turtles. Bubba. Bubba, look. The turtle's right here.
It's a big one.
This one looks really silly. Wow. Look at that one, Liam. That looks silly. Uh-oh, someone decided to get out of the stroller. You see the turtles? Wow.
I don't want to see.
Look at that. Look at this, Liam. It is ginormous. I know, look at this one. Look at this one, look behind you.
Behind me.
Yeah, look at it is ginormous. Look at the feet. See the feet? Go ahead, you can play on the alligator. Landon, look. Landon. Landon.
Oh, sorry.
Where are we going now?
Sorry.
It's okay. Where are we going? Go ahead, go look. Go. Liam and Landon, look it. Wow. Oh my gosh, look, there's a shark right here. Oh my gosh.
What you want from me? If you say what you want from me, yeah, I give all that I can to please. I give all that I can to please. If you say what you want from me, if you say what you want from me, yeah, I give all that I can to please. I give all that I can to please.
You're walking with the shark? You're gonna hit yourself. Look, he's turning around. He's turning around. Okay, turn around, Liam, so you can walk with the sharks. Turn right. That's correct. Mommy gonna get this? Wow! What do you want to be? You want to be, come here! Landon! Here, look! You see the shark? Wow! Ah! The shark's gonna eat me! Ah! No! 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 Stay away! No! Ah! Stay away! I see. Show brother. That's a seashell? Monster. Come here, Landon. Ugly day, but we had a good day at the aquarium, right? Yeah. Okay. All right, hold on. Let's wait 1 second. We gotta get the umbrella. Did you have fun at the aquarium? Yes. I had fun. We're gonna come back another day. Tomorrow, we're going to the museum. Yay! So right now, we are leaving the aquarium, and I'm actually gonna drop the boys off at the daycare because I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. But after that, I'm gonna pick them up. We're gonna go home. We're gonna make some dinner, and we'll probably go get Daddy, and then maybe watch a movie together as a family. Liam wanted to watch Toy Story yesterday, so Daddy said that we'll be able to watch it today. So we'll probably watch Toy Story later, and then that'll be it for this vlog. But I hope you guys like it so far. If you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Say subscribe. And leave a comment down below.